Unlocking the secrets of trade show exclusives. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: trade show exclusives. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries behind trade show exclusives and how they can impact businesses and consumers alike. Trade show exclusives refer to products or services that are only available at a specific trade show or industry event. These exclusives are a strategic move by companies to draw attention and attract attendees to their booth or presentation. They are often limited edition items or special offers that are not available anywhere else, making them highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Companies offer trade show exclusives for several reasons. Firstly, they serve as a powerful marketing tool, creating buzz and excitement around the company's booth. Secondly, exclusives can help in building brand loyalty by rewarding attendees who make the effort to attend the trade show. Lastly, they provide an excellent opportunity for businesses to test market reaction to new products or concepts before a wider release. Trade show exclusives have a significant impact on both businesses and consumers. For businesses, they can increase booth traffic, enhance brand visibility, and generate immediate sales. For consumers, these exclusives offer a chance to acquire unique products that can't be found elsewhere, often becoming valuable collector's items over time. To make the most of trade show exclusives, attendees should plan their visit in advance, researching which companies will be offering exclusives that interest them. It's also important to arrive early, as some exclusives are available in limited quantities and can sell out quickly. Engaging with the company's social media channels before the event can provide insights into what exclusives will be offered and any special requirements for purchase. Trade show exclusives are a unique aspect of industry events that can offer valuable benefits to both companies and consumers. Whether you're a business looking to stand out from the competition or a consumer on the hunt for rare and exclusive products, understanding the world of trade show exclusives can unlock a treasure trove of opportunities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on the exciting world of trade show exclusives.